see what I'm showering with Britney's song. That's guys, my highlights pa yan. See? So guys. So, color violet to tone out this color, because you know, having a darker hair tone, if you want to have a blonde hair, usually it goes brassy, so you need to have color toner shampoo. Okay, so this is
if I open up my eyes, I can see the sky.
I still need to try it with
See the sky. See the sky. See the sky. Watch It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
I feel so pretty. So guys, what do you think of my hair? So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay?